Today I'm making tuna salad sandwiches. Let's go through the ingredients. I need 4 eggs, tin of shredded tuna, white bread or brown bread, some salt. I'm using half of onion, can be less, can be more, and black pepper and some mayonnaise. Let's start with onion. I will chop onion. I will put a little bit of salt on the onion. Let onion release juice and flavor. Little bit of salt, not too much. Need to peel. In a bowl, grate some eggs on a fine grater. Shredded tuna. My shredded tuna in salt water. If it will be in oil, even more better, but need to drain a little bit of oil. Black pepper to your taste. And mayonnaise. It's enough. Mixture mustn't be too runny, not too much mayonnaise. Now I will make sandwiches. I'm not cutting crust out. I'm using bread with a crust because it's nice. I'm spreading salad up to the edges of the bread. Of course, would be very nice to put a little bit of chili sauce, also nice. Also, I'm not using any butter or margarine, if somebody uses margarine. Salad straight on the bread because it will stick nicely because of mayonnaise. And I will cut on the triangles. Beautiful. Very nice and very tasty. Now I will try. Very nice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put like. Until next time.